said, move. Sit down on the toilet seat and I sent to out my eye. So I see him say the third time. I said, we are talking to so. I just go so hard to remember Monday when I come here, beat out my blood clot and pop off my finger.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you don't know the thing said. Bless. Hope you all having a wonderful Sunday today. But you know my thing already one bag of one to one, and I gotta continue giving these daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. Now, if you're swinging over here from the King Mix Up channel, you know we had upload some clips of Queenie and Simone and Dowey and all of these stuff. But this is another live she did, explaining why she spit in his face. You know what I mean? As you can see, she's saying in the story that she called him a picnic jacket and all of this stuff, but he left out a lot. You know what I mean? Boy, I mean, I want to say do it that pan crack, but let's take a listen to what I go on from that to go on his Zimmy.
Yeah, blood clot give up until I get closure and I heal myself and fight back the blood clot battle. When we reach London and they reach the house, do we say blood clot? I left my tablet. I say call the girl. Him say nah call the girl. Him left it on the dresser then blah, 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 blah. Me and do it tribe. I know my people them don't know what it's in a come. My own blood clot big man, Me and do it the man mascot blood clot, yeah, me that I eat. Drive back from London 4 hours, go back at the girl blood clot yard. I'm a pack up them take a picture of yard with her name and her street road. When me come back, when him go, the girl no tablet not in him yard, not in the yard. The girl says she not see the tablet. And it not there. Her brother did and her father, whatever coming up in them house. I was in the car as a fool. When we come back to London, I see him laugh. So I put it on the black fridge in the kitchen and treat it working with the fridge in the member. You see, where the man put the blood clot, you make true. All right. Where you and the girl that she said she don't want to give me no pussy because you call her every minute. I said, but she invite you in your house. You hear me now, no? You hear me now, the girl vex when she hears so she'll come for me. You hear me now, true, she not get the fuck. Fool, You hear me, yeah, man, she never accept me that drive come so far for you, so she think you'd go sweep over and get settled. But the girl messaged me when they go to Manchester. Last year, I reached Nikki something. So when I look on the girl name, I go in on my DM, and she said she messaged me and send me love. Why not think me so good? The whole of the woman was here to so they love me. I just want to smell like my husband so I catch it. Anyway, I message the girl until I call me. When the girl called me, the girl said, your husband know where I do. Him did why you for come for him. That time do we fuck the blood clot girl, When I said to the girl, said, do we tell me say yeah, why not for him? You hear me now? Me tell him me not ball out in the back. Me tell him me not do nothing. Yeah, that's it. And I say my ball out in the background. Oh me, hear the girl when I ask the girl if she and do fuck. Where him tell me say. From she can't tell me no, that mean you fuck him in it. But me still a fool. So me no know, but me an idiot. So me say, all right, that is it. How it reached out. Couple of days after I act up, I go aunt him with that blood clot. And I go, no, lie, I tell Queenie, lie. They're Jamaica. Don't have Bushamark. From there, England, I study in pin. And I Lego with him blood clot phone. I say, who said them a breed? Who said them miss period? Who said them husband this? And I said them life from husband I live. And when him wake up the night and see me, I said, someone is in trouble. So calm and nice because of my clothes me look. Yeah? And then take him phone from me and him change him pin. But I'm going at the girl at Manchester message. The same girl with me up on my DM. A DM and him and Arena in the so the DM going around the same name. What she said? As long as she lives. As long as she live him not to talk to her and him burning bridges. And she think him was a good soul and she sorry she fuck him. You see me, when I see it, I just voice out her and say, wow. So you fuck my husband. And my husband tell me, the girl said she not give me no pussy, I'm about to force her coming on charge to rape. On top of you diss me from Jamaica, you come from plane, you suck me out like silver ticks go, you suck me out like vampire, you anger me, you chat to me like blood clot dog, and treat my friend over marriage. You get up this morning, and I said to you, Dwayne, you come to England and you mix up with all different kind of people. Are you gonna trouble the girl? Are you gonna trouble the girl? Cause you not like her. Remember, I'm not gonna lie for the girl, you know. They said, me ask her what she have in her then. The time the girl not done me it, you know. Go take it. Anything she take, me not care. Me not care either. Anything. Me not care. When me reach over the girl page now, the girl start class me. So the girl start class me. I go in the room and I say, do it, watch me, you. You don't know for all your composure, you give all these girls all kind of ammunition and me there here with your true thick and thing. Me still I go rub it in her face. Not playing a victim yourself. So I'm going to the room now and him start shout. I said, do not shout in the people them please. Him, me not tell if it done. If it done. So I said, do it, me not go done after me hurt and me not get no closure to where you do. When I said, move. Sit down on the toilet seat and I sent to out my eyes. So I see him say the third time. I said, we are talking to so. Me just go so hard to member. Monday when I come here, beat out my blood clot and pop off my finger. And give me around 10 dent in my head. Me not complain to none of my pitney them now, nobody. I hold it. So you come make post about my blood clot spit by you. So you think that got beat me and pop out my finger. And it's either the easiest thing I could have blood clot or I couldn't pop out back your finger. So I'm spitting at your blood clot face. You should have hold that as a man and a husband. You come by internet, I come size up with me and I drop blood clot draws with me. I'm tired of the Miss Jane, Miss Liza blood clot attitude. I want a real blood clot man for no. So Queenie, shut up your blood clot mouth and sit down. Not for ball pa me like that, or when I ball out back by you like blood clot that. You get up guard with the man of designer body. What kind of low self-esteem is that? Then you're not going to tell me, do it cool out. So when them cool out, and they up there saw me the ear, so when later come, what got happen, I call him, no answer. I found the man and I said to the man, you take Dewey and carry Dewey. Yes, the man said, you know, want the excitement in other place. And when him done, him got to call me. I said to the man, I respect that, but tell Dewey, call me. Call me, I ring Dewey now. Answer. Can you have me up for someone? How much time you have to sell me out for girl? We're not here when we not care about you. We're not even business if you exist more than if them can't get a fool and send them look further. Remember, me go mad here that you go up alive with mad to justify yourself and not do it. So when you're sitting on me, come call your dog and drunk after your action, do it, there's bigger above. So the man said to me, so when him done work, he might go talk to my big man thing. I said, you can't talk to me because you don't pick yourself, but me show him respect my cause. You have to give respect what respect due, and he speak to me respectable. But by you do it and go downstairs and do it whisper and tell do it, say, come cool out. Gonna take my for idiot. A wife or husband, this. So when you take him as a little boy, because it's a little boy style. I don't remember what church. Oh, I don't remember when I come now and tell no lie. I say, oh. So you now come back at the house, you take the purse, you take the wallet with the money and everything and gonna leave me stranded do it. And say I come back at the house when at lunchtime and bring the money. I said, do it. Me know that. Alright. I sit down and say, I'm start now do my live again, Simon. I done my husband, you know. When me look, the man call me. I go put up the video with was full. You say me take a idiot, you take a selfie idiot. When you tell me you find the video when you come here Monday. Remember I come here Mother's Day. I'm going to come here, you say you find the video from before you come England, before you come there. I said, do it, check the time. I see if I know the same time when you say, you don't frighten for no fat, for no girl, whether them pussy fat or them sexy. I went downstairs and take it from my own. I said, do it. My old man, I have my own blood clot racket. You couldn't find it. Me left that this purposely for your shape up. Patriot and bad talk. Fight me? No. All of that happened. And Simon did the ads. Me the right here, so me and him, and say, him going to do ads and him beg the Rasta man for them. I'm going to sit down out here, sir. I see my do ads. I'm not busy with him and him ads, but remember, I have to be a supervisor because if me your bill and me your one. None of them never take you up and watch you. So me, everything me I go watch. So the video post and I wake up in the morning. I'm going to go up on the girl name. I said, blood clot of Simone. So where do we know Simone from? So I said, do we know Simone from? He said, so it's Simone. Where were DM him? And I said, DM me, what she DM me for about my son? And she always send me a picture and message and something. I said, open me a DM. Him open me a DM. When I look around 30 messages, Simone have them in her phone. But the way I'm ignorant, I not clock when them start talking or when I'm going to know I see the whole heap of message. So I come off of the phone and I call Simone and I get Simone. To get when I get Simone, I say, Simone, remember do it I had for yesterday for free. I said to him, so you for the free ads when you know to pay ads and me have ads to do. You see me at the promotion and you know put none of my promotion on your page and I eat a feed you and make you a survive but you promote other girl. That don't make no sense to me do it. So I call the girl. No, my voice note her. She sent me her number. I still can't get her. I said, Simone, when you're going to JD Sports, test me to sign up. I said, Simone, when you're going to JD Sports, see if you get 2 extra large, small tracksuit for doing like the one them with the hoodie. You're not sorry, love, me at work. But when you're there, I always feel a teach. Friday gone. So I said, do you see it? It's a girl and a Rachel. Hear now? You never hear the voice note when she said she would appear me. I said, do it? Me never listen to the voice note the way me link. I said, then she said she would appear. Then it's why she said she would appear. You not take peer do it. How much responsibility me have you now? Sell your bleaching cream and just sit on a bleach and just sit on a big chacha boy. And somebody offer you. I say your friend for someone. If you not help me promote my ads and you not put my ads in for your page. How you have someone ads on me for shut up? That's said and done. Listen up. All right. I want me reach the ads. When we wake this morning now, my message Simone and I hear my play to her. I said, Simone, I go and do his DM and I see I have a whole heap of conversation with Dowey. But do it tell me and him now nothing but what that is all about because I'm still a step in my craft. Because I grow you, I know you for your 12 and I made the artist promotion queen about the place and you undermine me reaching on my husband phone. And then when you come buy the bleaching cream for me, Simone, you said to me, say, gangster, I know your husband number. Why would you say that? I got my ask Simone, you know. Someone drop her blood clot boxers. I must say, do it, boxers, Shaban. And she rinse me. I must say to her, I said, someone, I never expect better for you because you mix your mother with you with hope. So if you do your mother, so what you do me? I must say, she dip upon my family and tell me what she got. Oh, what she say? I must say, oh, by the time, him go with the man a designer body. Me not do no more them style and I'm Kelly style with it, a boy style. Me have tired of that, brother. Me tell you, so do it any day you walk and left me again and don't stand up as a man and leave me in my emotion. That's gonna be a fucking hit. When I talk about stunt, when I know stinking blood clot music. When I think me I get money off of the dirty blood clot music, them want to not play. Those are just my catalog. I may build up my Ras clot catalog. So none of them can threaten me, but no one for come off of my blood clot page and the whole one for go take blood clot do it and lock up and fuck with do it. Do you can't hype on me and I have no manners and no respect. Oh, me will go back on my yard, go on back to your yard. You can't go to Canada, you get Canada visa, low blood clot me. Me whole, I'm a miserable, I'm a in blood clot secure, me not trust you. And that alone, me not trust blood clot. If I sell the ring, I'm in the pan. After the ring, a junkie. I come here and say, enough things they do me. If me a pack a suitcase and I pack 10 mango and 10 jelly, you sit down like a blood clot princess. Leave me. You come put up video. Me make that purposely because I'm a blood clot bad. Remember last year, me they tell deal, say, me gonna make one man fuck me, I'm a video. That's how desperate I was. But guess what? I hold my composure, my sanity. Because no boy now use me. No blood clot more boy now use me. You get away with that because you're married to me. I'm a stand for better or for worse. But from me, you tell your name. When you engraving it for 15 grand, you sell the TV, everything me give you. With them there. You teeth my page. My royal rental page. January when you beat me from my mother yard, you change your name. I've never there Jamaica Bush and Market. And I said, do it for where the page? 15,000 followers I have. If anybody will want bookings, I just take on my page, do it and change the name. I see me to Maca Diamond. Wagwan sexy girl. Wagwan hot girl. You change the business page to message girl. For them to know say you. And when I find the page down at Bush and Market, I said, do it. I give you 5 proposals. You need to give me back my first message to him, say, you need to reach out to your son more often. Crazy, you can't tell me nothing. I know my baby mother stay now. I have no money for girl. I not call him and say, do it. The little boy don't care about money. The little boy just want to hear daddy love him and you send him a little video. All right, no matter where the mother sick or another mother. I say, 5 proposals, me and girl. You need to talk to your son. You need to give him back my page. You need to apologize to me because I see in your phone where you apologize to many girls over foolishness where you're not married to, and calling where you're ball per internet where you take calling me sorry. And no matter what you do, you never come and apologize. You know what my husband said to me? Me not apologize because you did say you apologize, but you're not sorry for what you do. Me say, then do it. Yeah, tit to tat with when me did tell your mother. She said, at least I did apologize to your mom. So at least apologize to me. That's a 3 proposal. I 5 something I give me, I remember the other 2. That time I give my long blood clot rope for hanging himself tonight. Though last year them time I couldn't do this. I'm weak out of my wit. The way you do me. I mean, I have to build myself and come back stronger blood clot again. What do you when him get the visa for Canada? I said, do it. I know your intention and you not plan not with me, you plan on with others. So I know you soon focus going to Canada. But you know why I'm not going to fight you? Because in Jamaica you're going to end up. So I'm not going to fret about you because I'm going to fret about you because you're my husband and Jamaica is rocket. So let me tell you something, brother Mac, brother husband. If you think me I talk with water in my mouth like January and you beat me up on the disgrace from my yard, me did a week and vulnerable January. Me purposely. You know, so I look blood clot good with Ross. Remember, and I bed you upstairs with girl. I'm going in my kitchen. And when me drive out, my message. See, don't talk about same fingernail and not same blood clot fingernail. I want to know. Listen, Dwayne. Me not frightened for blood clot because you not frightened for me. You not do blood clot, nothing for me frightened over blood clot. Me see I tell girl, but you like big. You want big cocky? Me take man we have 4 times the size of your blood clot cocky. My baby father when him lame him cocky big like blood clot the light post. I want him to blood clot you do it. Me not cocky frightened. You hear that? Understand your little dirty blood clot self. You take big woman and you violate me. When I say to the man, so I go ask him, want anything she tell him in a response. You can't put it up on Instagram. Really? After me you make pledge so when I go on Instagram, you started by this. You're not a man. Your self-esteem is low. How may you make plan from February when you come back? Girl, disgrace you. You got a Devante yard, you and Devante in agree. You and all of the people them in a Devante yard. Right now, you and Devante in a blood clot. With the girl when you blood clot, Coco will come to Jamaica where you used to fuck and the girl see Devante. And go with Devante, a girl, they me seeing about, a girl, if you ever fuck on me. That's a blood clot. And them regime me and my husband, I do me with girl. The girl come to Jamaica, she there with what the man name? Tonto. A Tonto. I say, I don't know. I said the man name. She and Tonto. And the girl style your dirty blood clot. And you now, oh, Devante na fuck it. Mr. Devante fuck out our blood clot. Why would she leave you stranded and go with Devante? You're delusional blood clot number 1. I plan your dirty blood clot. You never know. Well, more Mr. no more Mr. no Mr. Dewey. Because you said you don't frighten from him, I'm going to look for somebody with blood clot frightened to me and I reminisce. I don't fuck it, Bumblewall. And you can't make me fuck when I don't want blood clot. Because none of blood clot and can't fuck me. I'm independent, bad, bold and beautiful. And me no blood clot desperate. You hear that? Because me no frightened over blood clot cocky. You dirty blood clot cocky where you have a, see me up on the bed, lie down in my bed with him cocky stand up so. I'm tired of them kill this blood clot life. Where them I put you? Them again a proposal and a business proposal so you go make some, you know, if I come to me and say one of the girls say them want a bookings now, no. What kind of blood clot? So whole heap of embarrassment? No, I'm not make that all of my serious blood clot there. Boy, you come right, but me tell you, you know, deserve spit in a face. You know, deserve spit in a face. Me you got Jamaica and blood clot, holiday I go work. And when me and you come back, you vex me and got blood clot, girl, you me have to drive come to Manchester for you, drive go back down there for you, and you want to come tell me, move. He said, me hear the man say, so me say, me dip on my veranda, Jamaica, me and him in the room. And the way talk to me so disgusting, me go out and me say, Mommy, I don't like the way my husband talk to me no more. Me say, my mother don't pay me no blood clot mine. Yeah. No, me you that Dominican Republic where Spanish speaking, you get up guy with man. And me, I appreciate you.
And that was just part one of 3,000, so you know the deal. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the next set of the Baga Baga. Yes, I say. Hit that notification bell so you're notified when we do. Bless.